If you don't like where you are, move because you are not a tree. What does it mean? क्या मतलब है इसका और ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्या बताना चाहता है? चलिए समझते हैं इसको. Actually, this concept applies to every sphere of people. If that person is a corporate employee or government employee or running his own business or running her own business, it doesn't matter. It applies to each and every person. If you don't like, if you don't love what you are doing, then ultimately what will happen? You will get pissed off, you will get fed up, you will be completely dissatisfied, you will completely disheartened. You won't find any kind of energy within yourself to do the job because you are not happy what you are doing, and you are not ready to move out also because you are well settled in that comfort zone. But at the same time, you always thinking about the growth, but you are not going to take any kind of action to accomplish, to achieve that goal. You don't have any vision, you don't have any goal in your mind, but you want to get the growth. How come these two are totally contradiction? You want to get the growth, but you are not ready to move out from your comfort zone. So this is not at all possible. If you want to get the growth, then you have to come out from your comfort zone. If you feel you are completely well settled in your comfort zone, for example, let's say you are working for an organization, or if you are running one business kind of stuff from last 10 to 15 years and there is no growth, there is no new challenges you are doing, and the same kind of stuff doing from years and years, so what will happen? You'll be completely fed up. So if you are really ambitious and a kind of challenging person, then I would suggest measure yourself, assess yourself thoroughly, and if you feel you are well settled, well equipped in the comfort zone, then definitely move out from that comfort zone and take the challenge, take the risk. You can have tremendous transformation within yourself if you have guts to take the challenge with a positive mindset, and if you are ready to work continuously to achieve that goal, then definitely success will be yours only. मुझे उम्मीद है इस वीडियो के थ्रू आप लोग को कुछ सीखने के लिए मिलेगा. If you really like this video, then definitely share with your friends. This is all about. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.